Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Zodi's Lifestyle. If you're just joining me for the first time, you are welcome. Welcome, welcome. All right. Okay. Basically, what I do on this channel is talk about lifestyle. I vlog. I do hauls. Okay. I do reviews also on things that I buy. I show it to you guys so that you can, you know, try and get it for yourself too if you want. I also talk about my faith, career, a lot of things that I do on this channel. Family, yes, family. And I want you guys to come along with me this year to just showcase, my life to you. I also talk about motherhood. I talk about what's it called? Yeah, motherhood. So if one of my videos, I talk about parenting style, and all that stuff. So today I'm going to be talking about my birthday. Yesterday, January 10, was my birthday. Today, January 11, is my mother's birthday. And so we just got back from my parents' house to celebrate my mom. And in the course of celebration, I also got some gifts for myself. But let me talk about my birthday, how it went down. So yesterday, my birthday, I woke up in the morning around 6 and I could not walk. The devil is a liar, right? Yes, he is a liar. I could not walk. My leg was, my sciatica nerve was hurting so bad that I had to, and I needed to use the restroom. So I had to roll out of my bed, struggled out of my bed, literally. Thank God my husband already woke up too, almost at the same time. So he was able to help me get up. And then I went to the restroom. By the time I came back, I was limping so badly. And then my leg would get stuck. I won't be able to move it. My husband would help me to walk to, get to the room and everywhere. So, and I had to go somewhere to get one of my certification, my healthcare certification done. I had to go because there was no other time. The time that they had is very far, January 21st, and I cannot wait. And I needed to go to work. I needed those things to go to work. So I just managed myself. I managed to just, go there and get the things I need to do, get them done. So when I came back, the pain got worse. I was supposed to go to Kwariaza yesterday, I could not. The pain got worse and I could not take it anymore. I had to go take a strong Tylenol medication. So, and my husband got me the food that I asked for. I asked for, things yesterday. So I ate some of them and then took my medicine. Before then, I took my medicine because I could not wait. And I was knocked out. So I slept for several hours on my birthday. It was amazing. I slept for several hours on my birthday. That was the best power nap ever. So it was beautiful. I had a very good nap. God saw me through. I just thank God for the gift of life, first of all. I thank God for the gift of life. God has been so good to me. Throughout last year, it's been a rocky year for me. But I thank God that God took care of everything. And it's still taking care of things for me. Rocky year. We ended the year in a rough way. And we started the year, this 2026, in a very rough way too. But God is still seeing us through. We are alive. That's the main thing. The main thing is that we are alive. It's people that are alive that always will go through problems now. It's people that are alive that are go through issues, that have issues. We are not alive again. Nothing. So I thank God for the gift of life, for giving us another chance, to see another year and to see another birthday. It's just by the grace of God that I'm here today. Ah, so we went to celebrate my mom today, and I was able to get some gifts. I could not vlog the celebration. It was too good. It was just family, extreme. Like it was just my mom, the children, me and my siblings, and our spouses, and our grandchildren, our own children. That was it. We didn't. It was just that was what she wanted. She wanted the family to be around her, celebrate her, My mom was, I asked her, how do you feel? When we were going home, I asked her, how do you feel, mom? She said she's overwhelmed by the love that we showed her. We danced, we ate, we sang. It was just beautiful. I conducted the cutting of the cake. I could not vlog it. It was just too good. I couldn't vlog. It was a me time thing. So I got some. Oh, I hope I did not forget anything. Oh my god, I think I forgot. I think I forgot one of my gifts. Oh man, how did that happen? I think I forgot one of my gifts. Or maybe it fell off in the car. Ah, okay. What do I do? Let me go check the car. I'll be back to show you I got some gifts today and I wanted to show you guys. One of them probably fell off because I put them together. I'll be back. Okay, so my gifts are together. I actually forgot one of my gifts at my parents' place. So I have them now. My husband went to pick it up for me. So yes, the birthday was so good. Um, Even though I had a rough day yesterday on my birthday, I still had a good time because I slept very well. I watched my shows. Well, not my shows. I watched a movie with my children and I slept off on the couch. By the time I wake up, they already turned into something else that they actually wanted. So anyway, the first gift on the list is my second sister. She sent me money. So but I use it for something else. I use it for something else. She sent me money a day before my birthday. That's on the night. And my eldest sister, my my elder sister gave me some gifts. I'm not gonna show two of them, but my daughter is in the background. But I'm gonna show you this one. She got me three gifts. So two of them, because I don't want this video to be too long. So these shoes. She got me these shoes. My daughter is laughing at me. Yes, I love these shoes. I've been wanting black shoes because I don't have black shoes anymore. Like I have black shoes, but it's not as cute as something like this. I have another one that my second sister bought for me for my as my Christmas gift. That one too. Oh my god. Ah, beautiful. So the next one, where is it? My elder brother. She okay. My elder brother got me a pair of slippers that I can wear at home. It's super comfortable. Oh my god. It's so comfortable, it's so soft, it's so chic at the same time. And this is the shoe. I wore it right away. I could not wait. Let me remove this is grass, dry grass. So this is the pair of slippers. This is dry grass because I wore it right away. Yeah. This is the inside is soft. Look at the four. It's comfortable, good for the cold, good for wearing inside. Okay, lovely. Super comfortable. Ooh, very comfortable. The next one. The next one that my one of my sisters-in-law and her husband, my brother, got me a bag. A very nice bag. It's so cute. Let me close it up. This bag. Isn't this the cutest bag ever? Ah, it's so cute. It's so cute. What's the name? Aldo. One of the cute Aldo bags I own. It looks like kind of looks like Chanel. Um, but I love it. It has several compartments. Let me show you. It has several compartments, like so different things. Yeah. So I love my gifts. I'm just showing this video just to let you know that it's very important to celebrate one another. Okay, not until when the person dies, that's when you start celebrating the person. No, celebrate one another, celebrate your mom, your dad. Don't wait till they are very old. Even if you don't have that much money, just celebrate them in your own little way. It's very important. Celebrate each other as siblings. Things can go south. You never know what can happen tomorrow. So build memories. It's very, very important. Yeah, build memories. Today was so memorable. Oh my God, even yesterday. The calls, the audio calls, the video calls, the audio messages and the text messages. Oh my God, that's even more than gifts. Seriously, it was. I was just reading and reading, and I was able to reply pretty much almost everybody. I was like, hey, it was beautiful, 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 beautiful. This birthday, this is my final year of being 30 something. So it's amazing. I can't wait for how this new year is going to unfold for me. Seriously. I'm curious to know what next. But there's something I have learned over the years throughout my 30s, my 30s. I've learned not to procrastinate. I have learned not to um wait for anybody before I can do something great for myself. I've learned that. Don't wait for anybody. Once God has given you something, a plan, go with the plan. Don't wait. Seriously. I learned something too. Don't care about what people say about you. The only thing you should care about is what God says about you. God says you are the head and not the tail. He says you are a success and not a failure. He said you are a peculiar person. You are a holy nation, a chosen generation. So that's what you should believe. Don't believe what other people are saying, because if you believe what other people are saying, most of the time it will lower your self-esteem. But when you believe what God is telling you, what God is saying about you, your self-esteem will be so high. You'll be confident. There'll be no fear. There'll be nobody can talk down on you or talk you down. I'm telling you, that's what I've learned. I used to have a problem with low self-esteem a lot, especially during my teenage years. Oh my God. I used to think that everybody else was better than me, not knowing that they're looking up to me. I did not even know. Maybe God was just preventing me from being proud, being this proud person. Maybe that's why. I don't know. I just don't know. But I had low self esteem. I thought people were smarter than me. I thought they were speaking better than me. All those things. Even at church, it started at church with me, not even from school. It started at church. When they are doing Bible something, I'll just be keeping quiet. When they are singing, when they want us to sing, they will put me in the front. So I was like, why are they putting me in front? I'm not the best singer now. I mean, I sing, but it was just me having low self-esteem. Go and close that door for me. It was just me having low self-esteem. So the older I got, and not just older, not just about age now, the older I got, in the more mature. Papa, go. Close the door. Thank you. I love you. Close the door. Okay, close the door. You close the door. Lock it. Okay. The older I got, the more self-esteem I gained. Like I gained high self-esteem because I started understanding myself. I started understanding my how do I put it? My intellect. I started understanding the wisdom that God has given me. I didn't know that I had wisdom. I started understanding myself for who I am, for who God says I am. I started getting mature spiritually. You know, I would read the Bible and understand. So this is what God says about me. Wow. Oh my God. If God, my Father, if my Heavenly Father can think this about me, or more, nobody can bring me down. Okay. It was in my 30s, literally in my 30s, that I gained high self-esteem. Very high. And right now, my self-esteem is top notch because of the grace of God. Because of God. Not me. I didn't really do anything. It was just me growing. It was just me growing. So I thank God. So I thank God for everything. It was just me growing. Yeah. Oh, what else? What else did I learn? I'm not want to do 39 things I learned in 39 years. I'm not. It's not. It's not. Or 9 things I learned in my 30s or 10. No, I will not do that because I like to be original. I beg. What else did I learn? I learned. Oh my God, I learned to take my life seriously. When I say my life, I mean family life. I mean, I already take my family serious anyway. That one is not even, it's a no brainer. I learned to take my career seriously, especially my career. I learned to take my job seriously. Whatever job I'm given, whether at work or even at church, I have learned to take it seriously. Like put it on my head as if it's my father's own. I've learned to do that because it will help you, it will help me go far in life. When you take your career, you take your job seriously, you will never be broke. You will never be broke. I've also learned to take my ministry more serious than ever before. My ministry, my music ministry, more serious than ever before. I want to be able to compose songs again. I have songs that I have down. I want to be able to compose songs, even if I don't record them in the studio. At least I just want to sing them to bless somebody. Because all these songs that we have, even if we don't record the whole thing and do it, put in the album or whatever, just sing it. It might bless somebody. That's what I've learned to do this year. Also, I've learned to take my business serious. If it will take me money, okay, to boost my business, I will spend the money. Yes, it takes money to advertise. It takes money to upgrade. I had a dream. You'll see yesterday also, and in that dream, it was a celebrity that owned this. It was more like a hair care slash skincare business. They changed the whole. It looks like my own kind of stuff, but they changed the whole package. So it's just ringing in my brain that maybe I need to change my package. I need to change my strategy. A lot of things that I want to do. So God will help me. It's only God that can help me. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. All right, until next time, I'll say bye for now. God bless you. Bye.